All right, next thing we got in the mail drop, I'm actually really excited for. I've been wanting to order these for a while now. Check for any stickers in the bottom. Okay, so this is the 3AC soft sides. So I'm actually going to do a video on how to put these together because it seems like a massive pain. But we're going to open it up, show you guys what we get. So we will have our two ballistic soft side armor panels. They are labeled with a top arrow. You can see right there, top. So they'll go like this. I imagine label in probably. Ferro does have a video, but I'm going to do one as well. And then we've got the sleeves that they go inside. So these will, as you can see, take the plates, and it is a fairly tight fit. These are going to be smashed in here, but basically it'll go like that. So you'll use your 3AC cumber bund if you ordered it, whether you're running a SLICKSTER or the FCPC. These will just Velcro right on the inside, which is really awesome. And you're going to tuck these guys up in here and then slap this on. This is going to give you some added structural integrity, some load bearing, just additional load bearing capabilities on your FCPC or SLICKSTER should you choose to go that route. These are going on my FCPC V5 personally, but I just wanted a little bit of protection for like frag or shrapnel or whatever random things coming at you or rocks kicking up, whatever, just stuff to protect the sides and the organs around your stomach and your lower torso that you don't really get with just normal cummerbund. But I didn't want to add plates because I just don't personally feel the need to run side plates. So you get your 3AC armor carriers and you get ballistic panels, and then you marry the two together and slap these on the FCPC. So you'll see this is kind of a little bit of stretchy material, but not a lot. They are stretchier on the sides where we've got kind of the tweave material. So I imagine the flap is going to be the top. So we want the top of our armor to mirror that. So what I think the best way to do this is, here, let's open these tabs as well. So you remove the two black tabs, get you a big open space to work with. What we're going to do is put it down first and shove one end all the way up into the end of that. Like so, just like that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to bend this upwards towards us so that we can shove this end. That makes sense, yeah. Shove this end down into the other side of the little plate bag. So on Ferro's website, they have a video linked to how to do this, and I did watch it a couple weeks ago when I ordered these, and they said that it was basically a fight to the death to get this to work. So, all right, just like that. That was pretty easy. We've still got the top where we want it, so now we're just going to kind of go through, adjust, kind of get all the seams straight where we want them, push out any of the ripples. Then we're going to lay our bottom hook side. We're going to pull the side tabs of the pockets onto the hook. And then we're going to take our top flap and fold it down over it. And that is how you put the Ferro 3AC soft side armor together.